就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and once again, we got music from Dong Dong with a modern twist right here because it talks about the smartphones that we use today and how we are so glued to it and message people all the time. Hence, the title is called Lai Loi Lai He, which literally means message you and you message back. So let's take a listen to it right here.
員工卡條新茶要嘅信念，嗌啲卡條粉茶要嘅嘢條，幾大條嘢茶。應要嘅馬街，冇嘅闊嘅冇嘅聖劍，應要嘅書記，書記，識嚟識去，交朋友十分嘅容易，我有名的眼淚也從四種自我肯定，唔講了解嘅重要嘅消息，隨便發送人一下美好嘅心情。用來了來來了來，就按用色彩神奇，就按用來了來來了來，生動扮雅，樂此不疲，就按用來了來來了來，就按用有拉薩皮，就按用來了來來了來來了來，世界體驗。來去演的傳達感情，點來點去演的表達心情，生來生去嘅阿妹十分嘅歡喜，來去，我們天下無敵，來，過來過去 NDVOIP， 塞到爆大多數，其實 all you can get， 千里之外無嘅記憶，阮是主筆，小子女恩係兄弟 ，We are family。
啊，这是一首东东的赖来赖去，也就是赖来赖去，就是我们现代人呢用手机呢传简讯依赖在赖上面很多不过也因此呢拉近了我们的距离，没有时间呢可以随时传个简讯，甚至用表情符号来表达自己无法表达的心情，不错哦。不过大家有空的话还是约出来见见面吧。Again, what a fun song by Dong Dong called Lai Loi Lai He, and that does it for today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.